Good evening, I'm Kevin Burke with the National Weather Service Office, Chicago, Illinois. I just wanted to bring you up to date with the latest information regarding our next snow system that is expected to affect the region Tuesday night into early Wednesday. First of all, if we take a look at a timeline for portions of the area, this is going to include the Chicago metro area. It looks like starting Tuesday evening after 6 p.m., rain will be the primary precipitation type as we start off this precipitation event. However, as colder air begins to mix in with the system, we will quickly change the rain over to snow, likely after 8 p.m. Tuesday evening. And then as we head into Tuesday night after 11 p.m., we'll likely start to see the precipitation in the form of snow begin to increase in intensity, becoming moderate to possibly even heavy at times through probably about 5 a.m. or so. So overnight Tuesday night, that'll be our period where we'll see the most intense period of snowfall. And during this period we could see up to 2 to 4 inches alone between about 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. And then after 5 a.m. into early Wednesday morning we could see some light additional snow, probably under an additional inch on top of that. And total for this event, we could expect about 2 to 5 inches of snow in the Chicago metro area, with the lighter amounts to the north and heavier amounts to the south. If we jump up to the Rockford metro area, we'll probably see the precipitation beginning as light rain by late afternoon after 3 p.m. on Tuesday, and then mixing with and changing to snow early Tuesday evening after 5 p.m. and just some periods of light to possibly moderate snowfall from 8 p.m. to about 4 a.m. Tuesday night, and then again ending Wednesday morning as some light snow. Be some lighter amounts of snow, it looks like now, up in the Rockford area, as you guys will be on the northern portion of this system. So total accumulations here look to be about in the 1 to 3 inch range. Looking further south for portions of east central Illinois and northwestern Indiana, this could be more of a snow event, a heavier snow event for you guys, especially later Tuesday night. So here again, we're going to be starting with some light rain during the evening and possibly then changing over to snow overnight. Especially after 11 p.m. across our southern counties, and really picking up in intensity with snow after 2 a.m. through about 7 a.m. This will be the period of moderate to heavy snow, where 3 to 5 inches could fall during this time, and then again ending as some light snow Wednesday morning. Total snow accumulations as it's looking now in these areas will be a little bit heavier in the 3 to 7 inch range. And looking at it graphically, as far as the snow start times, again, northern sections of the area, including the Rockford area, the snow will probably begin by early evening, likely after 5 or 6 p.m. And then in the Chicago metro area, basically roughly from Peru to Chicago, probably by mid to late evening, 7 to 10 p.m. would be the times that we would be looking at for the snow to begin. And then further south yet, it'd probably be around midnight, late evening to around midnight. And then in our far southern areas, from Paxton to Fowler, Indiana, likely not seeing the snow there until after 12 a.m. on Wednesday morning. And as far as snow total accumulations, you can see here again, southern areas will be the most susceptible to getting the heavier amounts, 3 to 7 inches. 2 to 5 inches for most of the Chicago area, and then 1 to 3 for the Rockford area. And for anyone planning travel to the east, you can see this blue area on the map represents a winter storm watch, which includes portions of east central Illinois and northwestern Indiana, eastward all the way up into New England. So this storm system will be producing heavy snow not only here locally, but also into the northeast as well. So again, anyone planning travel should be up to date on the latest weather information with this storm system. And that's all for the information on our snow system. For anybody looking for road conditions as we get into this event, you can go to these sites here for Illinois and Indiana. Thanks for joining me and have a good evening.